So, amin nga po palang mga nabigyan namin ng t-shirt kanina, sila po yung mga first 100 na nag-register online, which is announced din naman po sa aming page. So, Piña Cycling Alliance, Sir Mr. Sadolo Jega. Palakpakan po natin si Sir.
Thank you very much. Yung mga first-timer, Las Piñas, Parañaque, Wetland Park, na mapupunta ron, pupunta tayo sa isang paradise in the metro. Ma-appreciate natin kung gaano kaganda. Hindi na natin makikita yung mga migratory birds. Okay? So, nung first time ko po na makarating doon, that was, would you believe, 2012 pa po. Nandun kami for airport. And until now, maraming companies. And of course, gusto ko lang pong pasalamatan ng bawat isa. Pag-live po natin, we are representing not only the event, we are not representing not only ourselves, we are representing the cyclists. Baka may makakita nyo ito yung t-shirts natin na Kaligtasan Advocacy, one of the main natin tayo at maayos. Yun lang po. Thank you very much. Sir, please, babalik.
Ayan po, sana po i-keep in mind lang natin yung mga excited. And I guess, very excited sa magiging relation po